If your camera keeps crashing or lagging without apparent reason, then there is a chance that the files and data of the app was corrupted, especially if the operating system of your device was recently updated. So, in this video, I will show you a couple of ways on how to reset camera app on your Realme C12. The purpose of doing this method is to delete all outdated files and data on your camera app so that newer ones will be created. Here's how. From the home screen, tap and hold the camera app. Tap App Info. Tap Storage Usage. Now, tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Finally, tap OK to confirm. The other way to reset your camera app is through phone settings. Here's how. From the home screen, open the app drawer. Look for Settings and tap on it. Scroll down and look for App Management and tap on it. Tap App List. Scroll down and look for Camera and tap on it. Tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK to confirm. That's how it takes to reset your camera app. I hope this tutorial helps. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification for more videos. Thanks for watching.